Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Trailer Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 22. We are on the final stretch of this project and I am so excited to share the process here with you. Here we are in the kitchen. We have guys here doing paint touch-up. We got our baseboards installed, so they're here painting that. Aaron and Kenny are working away so hard at getting all the touch-up pieces and parts to this project accomplished. But look at these appliances, refrigerator and freezer columns. They look so gorgeous. Oh my goodness sakes. That hood's not uncovered, so we can't see all of its fantasticness yet. The way they installed it and put it up, oh, it just looks so good, friends. Oh, adds such a nice element to tie all of our finishes together in these spaces between the soft, warm gray of the floors, the beigey undertone to the walls, and then the white of the cabinets. All the parts are just encapsulated in that particular element that help tie all those finishes together. Our butler's pantry all covered up, but you can see we've got our microwave drawer installed. This is going to be a fantastic area for our homeowners. Here in our laundry room, we got our backsplash tile installed. We've got a little bit of drywall touch-up work that had to happen in here, but this backsplash tile got installed over by that laundry sink. The space got painted. Oh, and these floors in here, they just look so amazing. I am so excited about the ability to have texture and pattern in here and the monochromatic tone of it all. Painters in here doing baseboards in the big living room space. Our guys with Metzger's paint are here doing such a good job. Hey there. Walking down the hall, these beautiful sconce lights are installed. There's Kenny. He's wearing a superhero cape today. The mirror in this bathroom has got me in shock. Oh, thanks, Kenny. So it's just so gorgeous. Isn't she beautiful? We've got one of our light fixtures up, so you're just going to have to wait for the final reveal to see it all. I'm going to switch this light off. But look at how pretty this is. Oh, and we painted these walls. So we had agreeable gray on these walls, and it just, between the light from the skylight and everything else, it casts a little lavender at times. So we painted it our canvas tan, and it looks so nice. It actually complemented the countertops really well. This Taj Mahal just turned color for us and worked out fantastic. Here we are, friends, in the ensuite bathroom. We've got light fixtures up. They've got globes and light bulbs to put in. We've got mirrors to install. We'll have those up later. But it just looks so nice in here, this tile. Oh, I am obsessed with the tile in this space. Looks so, so fantastic and fun. And complements all of our brush nickel finishes in this space. But doesn't that look so good? We kept a curb in here because we wanted to keep the water contained to the shower, and it's a really tight space. So this space, you can see that door is right there on it. So we kept that curb so that that space could stay contained and the water would not damage any of the door trim or anything like that, or escape from the bathroom itself. Here we are walking into our master bedroom suite. Oh, this hallway looks so bright and beautiful. It's just gorgeous. But now we don't have any fireplace left on that wall. The bed got delivered today, so they've got that set up and in process. The new carpet in here looks so nice. Oh, it just looks so good and complements the new paint color so well. And we've got our fantastic shutters that we didn't even realize match the new paint color of the walls so well. And our new windows on the back side of the house just to capsule that view. Oh, it's going to be so nice out there, friends. To the master bathroom, we have got these fantastic lit mirrors. You can see that we can have different temperature color on these mirrors. So the one here on the left is closer to a daylight color, 3000 to 3500 Kelvin temperature. The one on the right is closer to incandescent. So it lives in that 2700 Kelvin temperature light. Oh, just looks so gorgeous. Those plumbing fixtures look so nice in the polished nickel finish with our quartz countertops in this space and our white cabinets. And our seamless entry from this master bathroom into this master shower in front of this giant privacy window adds so much light to this shower, but she just looks so pretty. View of our closets before our homeowners are going to be moving back into this space. Here's her closet and it's getting done. Oh, just looks so good. Okay, friends, we're almost done. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We couldn't do it without you for Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.